case anybody's wondering, this is tooltip number whatever 6,042. One of the good things about the world is I notice rags and shit are getting like extremely expensive. All kinds of fancy rags are like super expensive. And one of the things that seems to remain pretty cheap if you're working in a garage is this. I got 3 kids, and guess what? You can buy for 20 something bucks buy a whole thing of baby wipes. And if you just want to use them as dry rags, guess what? Leave the bag open, they'll dry out. If you want to use them as wet rags, well, you just close the bag. But that's one shop tip I noticed. I got dirty hands, you just want to quick. They come in giant bags, come in small bags. You can buy them by the box. And a box, I mean, you can get a ton of these things for 20, 25 bucks. Whereas you buy one of these suckers, these boxes of rags. I mean, yeah, you get 4 pounds of rags, but I mean, what are you gonna do? Wash them off later? These are completely disposable. And like I said, if you want dry rags, just leave the bag open. You'll end up dry, non-sterile. I don't think these are sterile either, but you'll end up with dry rags you can use for whatever. They kind of, they rip kind of easy and they leave kind of fibrous. So if you don't want anything fibrous, yeah, you might want to use cotton. But if you're just cleaning stuff off, if you dry them out, you can use them with acetone, anything else. And they, pretty sure they burn pretty good too when they're dry. So you could, if you got a burn pile, you can burn them all. So yeah, that's what I use. Baby wipes. I always keep, since we have kids, I always keep at least 1 bag in here. Mostly I use it to clean my hands, fingernails, stuff like that. So yeah, if you have a shop, you want something, a cheaper alternative. Other option is take all the old clothes you have, cut up in little squares and use that too. That also helps. So anyway, like, subscribe, think, whatever, do whatever you want, comment. Thank you very much for subscribing and liking, and hope you enjoyed the little video.